Nothing in this world is permanent except change. But one thing is certain. My face may look old, my bones may get weak, but my love for you, for our little family, will never fade away. And I will promise to you, to our son, Joshua Ethan, and to our future grandchildren, to always be the person you can always count on. Always you can rely on, even though nga naatay mga like childish things, like naamagin na spices of life, luod-luod, away-away. But I consider it normal or part sa atuang growing up as a couple. And I promise to you always protect our family from all types of harm. And also to support you in all of your plans and decisions. And even push you to the best version of yourself as you do the same thing for me. Though dili ka always mo understand sa akong trabaho, kay mo ang ginaisulti og feedback sa uban, ang pulis, inani daw. But still, you support and believe me, and thank you because of that. And now, I promise you also to have your back in everything, and of course, apil na diya tanan financially, and in fact, ako ang financial advisor ana, ikay gadala sa tanan, apil ang budgeting. I also promise not to leave you in face of challenges you or we might face, and likewise never have to face any problems alone. I promise also to be committed to you and only with you, Rajud. Makatanaw magani ko sa uban, pero diha radyog ko mulingi ug mobalik ragyud gihapon ko nimo. And most of all, I promise to be at your side no matter what the situation is. Apil na diha nga usahay, sa babae maginano kanang medyo nagger, then kaning usahay mutukar bitaw ang gitawag nilag utok sa bakukang, but saon man, in your arms, I found my solace. And to you, my Marilyn, and to our son, Joshua Ethan, are the love of my life and my everything. I promise to be by your side, and I love you both.
Ever good humans sometimes will hurt one another, like whatever you say or act, knowingly or unknowingly, that leads to misunderstanding. Promise to work it out, to create a healthy relationship, kay usahay moabot na sa wala na tingganay. Then as a married couple, we are united as one. So we have to spare time for a well communication, give chance to listen to each other, kay huwag pataani, kay usahay mag cellphone, kay mag-email. I promise to be your guiding light in the darkness, a warming comfort in the cold, and a shoulder to lean on when life is too much to bear on your own. I choose you to be my husband and be your wife, joining my life with yours. I pray that God would lead me to this choice to you as my husband through ups and downs. I promise you and him my faithfulness to stand beside you through all of life experiences as we follow God. Promise you all of this and more with God's help to strengthen and guide me to be your supportive wife. Today, as we take our vows, I will choose you every day as my husband, not because I have to, but because I want to.
You were every chance worth taking, every prayer and a sleepless night, just as sure as the sun was rising, it was always you and I.
Ilyasar kanas Marilyn dili perfecto, Marilyn kanas Ilyasar dili perfecto. Patas yun na ang inyong pailog sa usan-usan. Ang uban mo ingon man nga kapuya ni ini nga ko ang Paris, oy, boromag dili siya angay para nako. Dili siya takos sa akong paghigugma nga gihatag kaniya. Kana nga klase nga panlanta sa usa ka relasyon delikado. Ngano man, maglisod na og lahutay kanang maong mindset sa relasyon tungod kay maabot man ang punto nga mapulan mo sa usa-usa. Kay wala nakaabot sa inyong expectation sa inyong nga kapikas. Anindot ninyo nga buhaton karon mo pagsilsil diha sa hunaw kasing-kasing na kamo mismo kada usa ninyo maningkamot magpakatakos sa inyong nga hinigugma. Isulti sa inyong kaugalingon nga ako maningkamot nga imuon akong kaugalingon isip pwede sa ako ang Paris. Kung kamong duha parehaw panlantaw sa inyong pamilyoon mulungtad yun na nga naman maningkamot naman mo sa pagbuhat ng mga lihok na makapalikod sa inyong panahigugmaay. Maglikay na sa mo sa pagbuhat ng mga lihok na makaguba na hinoon sa inyong ang kaminyoon. Nung nanganito santos nga misa itong pangayo ng grasya, ang inyong hautang relasyon, ulungtad-unta, hangtod sa hangtod. Wala na ni atrasayahan, hangtod na ni, wala na ni bawi ay, walay uli